Today we are going to learn alphabetical order from letter A to letter Z is known as letters of the alphabet. What is it known? Letters of the alphabet, and order means sequence. Now let us read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the order of the alphabet. So, this is known as alphabetical order. You can see there are 10 words and below that there are 10 boxes. Now we have to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. According to the order of the alphabet, the first letter is A. If any word begins with letter A, then we will write the word in the first box. The second letter of the alphabet is B. And if there is word from B, then we will write, and if there is no word from letter A and letter B, then we will come to the next letter. The next letter is C. Now we will see if there is word from letter C, then we will write that word in the first box. Here we have to understand that if two words begins with letter C, for example, here we can see chair and class, then we will see the second letter of the word. In the word chair, H is the second letter, and in the word class, L is the second letter. L comes after H. So we will write the chair in the first box, and then we will write class in the next box. Now let us read the words. Table, chair, shoes, box, lamp, office, home, class, globe, plates. Now let us see if there is any word beginning with letter A, then we will write that in the first box. Now let us read the word from table to plate. Table, chair, shoes, box, lamp, office, home, class, globe, plate. No, there is no word starting with letter A. So we will cut that letter. Now we will come to next letter B. Again we will read the word table, chair, shoes, box. Yes, there is a word from B, that is box. And then what to do? When B comes, then we will write that word in the first box. But let us circle this word and we will read If there is more word with B, lamp, office, home, class, globe, plates. No, no word is there. So we will write this word box in the first box. Now why I have written this word in the first box? Because according to the order of the alphabets, A is the first letter and there is no word from letter A. After that, B is the second letter. So the word from B is written in the first box and let us cut letter B. After B, let us come to the next letter C and find words from the letter C. Now we will cut the word box. Now there are two words starting with letter C. In these words, we will find the second letter of these words. So, we will read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, H comes before L. So, chair we are going to write in the second box and L come after H. So, class will be in the third box. Now, we are going to cut these two words, chair and class. Now comes letter D. We have to find word from letter D. Let us read the word once more. Table, shoes, lamp, office, home, globe, plates. Now there is no word from letter D. We will cut the letter D and the next letter is E. Again we will find the words from E. Table, shoes, lamp, office, home, globe, plates. There is no word from letter E. We will cut letter E. We will come to the next letter F. Again we will read the letter. Table, shoes, lamp, office, home, globe, plates. And now there is no word from letter F. We will cut this letter F. Now we will come to the next letter G. Again we will read the word table, shoes, lamp, office, home, globe. Now here there is word from G, globe. Now we will circle this word globe. Now here there is only one word from letter G. So we are going to write this letter in the fourth box. And again we will cut this word globe. We will also cut the letter G. Now the next letter comes H. Again we will read the words table, shoes, lamp, office, home. Home begins with letter H. Now we will circle this word home. And the last letter is plates. So we are going to write this word home in the fifth box. Now we have finished up to which letter? H letter. Now we will cut this letter H and again we will cut the word home. Now there is turn of next letter I. Now again we will read the words table, shoes, lamp, office, plates. Now there is no word from letter I, so again we will cut this. There is turn of J. Again we will read the words table, shoes, lamp, office, plates. Now there is no word from letter J, so we will cut this letter. Now next letter is K. Table, shoes, lamp, office, plates. Now there is no word from letter K, so we are going to cut this letter. The next letter comes L. Table, shoes, lamp. Now there is word from L. Now we are going to circle this word. After that, office and plates. Now what to do? We will write this word lamp in the sixth box. We have finished up to letter L. Now we will cut letter L and next letter is M. Read the words again. Table, shoes, office, plates. Now there is no word from letter M. Letter N. Again read the word table, shoes, office, plates. No word is from letter N. O. Now read the letter table, shoes, office. Now there is word from letter O. Office. Now we are going to circle this word. And last word is plates. So what to do? We will write this word office in the box number 7 and we are going to cut letter O. Now next letter is P. Let us read the word again. Table, shoes, plates. Now here plates begins with letter P. So we will circle this word plates. Now we will write this word in box number 8. Now up to P we have finished. Now cut the letter P and next letter is Q. Now is there any word with Q? There are only two words, table and shoes. It means there is no word from Q. Now we will cut the letter Q. Now next letter is R. Again there is word table and shoes. There is no word from letter R. So now the next letter is S. Shoes begins with letter S. Now we will circle this word shoes. And where we will write? We will write in the next 9th box. We are going to cut this letter. Now next come T. Written here table. So now we are going to circle the word table. Now where we will write this word table? We are going to write in the last box. Now we have finished up to letter T and we will cut that letter. Now there were 10 words and we have written all 10 words in these 10 boxes according to the letters of the alphabet. So children, this is known as alphabetical order. We have to arrange the words according to the alphabetical order. I hope you all have understood and you have to practice it again and again.